Many of my patients come to me and ask me when they're on a candida diet, what kind of salad dressing would I recommend that they buy at the health food store or the supermarket? Unfortunately, most of the salad dressings have vinegar, and vinegar is something that we discourage when in active state of candida because of the fermentation. Now, that is one of the three things. Most often, they have what's called hidden sugars in there, and they may be on the label as fruit concentrate or cane sugar or even maltodextrin. But guess what? They are all sugar, and candida needs sugar to thrive and to grow and to build its biofilm, which is a wall that it hides behind from the immune system. And on top of that, they usually have bad oils in them, like canola, which we consider part of the PUFA family, or the polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are extremely inflammatory. And candida in and of itself is already causing an inflammation in the gut, so we don't want to exacerbate it with those bad oils. So if you're going to buy a salad dressing out there, look for one that has olive or avocado oil and apple cider vinegar. That would be my best choice. But better yet, I always hand my patients a recipe of what I call my green goddess dressing that has a lot of anti-fungal properties like olive oil and garlic and lemon juice and cilantro and avocado. It's creamy and delicious on any salad, whether you have candida or not. So why don't you prepare your own salad dressing today? Keep it in the fridge so you can have it anytime. So not only will it be delicious, but your belly will thank you for it.